The internet keeps growing, and so does the way we connect. For years, the world used IPv4, the old system for internet addresses, but we've almost run out of them. That's where IPv6 comes in, the next generation of internet connections. It gives us billions of new IP addresses, enough for every device and more. An IPv6 proxy uses these new addresses to route your connection through modern, high-speed networks. It's like upgrading your connection to a faster, cleaner internet. With FlashProxy IPv6 proxies, you get faster browsing, more stability, better privacy, and access to IPv6-only websites and services. The internet is changing, and IPv6 is the future. With FlashProxy, you're already connected to it. FlashProxy. Simple, secure, future-ready.